The purpose of this video is to give additional examples of how to add and subtract polynomials. Now remember, to add and subtract polynomials, you have to recognize, am I adding or subtracting? If I'm adding, all I got to do is drop the parentheses and then combine like terms. If I'm subtracting, then I want to drop the first parentheses and distribute a -1 to the second parentheses and then combine like terms. All right? Remember, combining like terms means combine the coefficients, the numbers in front of terms with identical variables. So let's take a look at a couple examples. In the first one, we are adding two polynomials. So I'm going to simply drop, and I have 6xy plus 2y plus 6x plus 4xy, and I'm going to write minus 1z. I never leave a naked variable. I'm looking for like terms. I have 6xy and positive 4xy, which would combine to give me 10xy. I have, sorry, I wrote down a z there for some reason. That should be an x. I have no other like terms in here that I see. Oh, man, I messed that one too. That's a 6x. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to combine my 6x and my -1x. And that's going to give me a positive 5x. Then I have this one other term left over plus 2y. Okay? Let's take a look at this next one. Drop the parentheses. So I have 3p squared minus 2p plus 3. And I'm dropping them because that says addition. Plus 1p squared minus 7p plus 7. I look to combine like terms. I notice 3p squared plus 1p squared. That would give me 4p squared. I notice a -2p and a -7p. They combine to give me -9p. And I notice constants of positive 3 and positive 7. 3 plus 7 would be 10. There's no other like terms, so that would be my end result. For subtraction, it says drop the first parenthesis, so this would leave me with 3x squared minus 2x, and then distribute a -1 into the second parenthesis, which simply what that does is change all the signs. So this would be a minus 5x squared, a minus 3x, and a plus 1. So now I combine like terms. I have 3x squared and -5x squared, which would be 3 minus 5 is -2x squared. I have -2x and -3x. -2 minus 3 would be -5x. And then we have that positive 1 constant left over. All right, one more example. Again, it's a subtraction. So I'm going to write down 2h minus 6j minus 2k. And then distribute a -1. So that would be plus 7h plus 5j minus 4k. All right, h's. I've got a 2 and a 7, which would give me 9h. J's are like terms. I have -6 and positive 5. -6 plus 5 is -1j. And k's, I have -2 and -4k. So that would be minus 6k. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.